Hi Rainbow Loomers! Today we'll be learning how to make a single chain bracelet with double bands using a hook. This is a really easy one-sided design that almost looks like a fishtail bracelet. You can add charms like these from our Lumi-Groomy project kits to accessorize them and make them even more fun. So all you'll need is a hook, and I am using our new Lumi-Groomy hook, then rubber bands. I'm using around 64, but this varies based on your wrist size, and I'm also using Rainbow Loom's stronger and more durable premium bands. Lastly, you'll also need a clip to close off your bracelet. I will be using one of our G-clips. This is actually our new second version of the G-clip, which just came out this year. There have been some tweaks to the design, and you'll find that these are more secure than the first version. So everything that I'm using today is from our new Lumi-Groomy kits. Now let's get started. First, take a single band and twist it onto your hook. This is our cap band. Hold onto the two loops of the band, and we will place on our clip to keep this in place. Slide your clip onto the two loops of the band. This will also give us something to hold onto as we're making this bracelet. Now here's the repetitive pattern that you will do until your bracelet is long enough. We will attach two bands at once onto our bracelet. You can also do this with one band, a double looped band, 3 bands, or any other kind of variation. Anyways, you will take those bands and place it on the tip of your hook. Pull those 2 bands through everything on your hook, which is just your cap band. Then, put the other side of the bands onto your hook. You'll sometimes hear people refer to this as closing. And that's all you have to do until your bracelet is long enough. So again, I'm taking 2 bands, placing them on the tip of my hook, and then pulling them through everything on my hook. Then close. Let's do this again but faster. Pull 2 bands through everything on your hook, and close. This is a really simple bracelet, but you can do a lot with the different color patterns. So I will just continue doing this until my bracelet is long enough to go around my wrist. To know if your bracelet will fit your wrist, you can just measure the bracelet against your wrist to know if you'll need more bands. It looks like this one fits my wrist, so now we can end our bracelet. You can directly place the clip onto the 4 loops that are on your hook, or you can add a single band and then connect the clip to this band. Make sure that your clip is holding onto all loops before removing it from your hook. And now your bracelet is complete. Well, almost. If you have our charms, like these from our Lumi-Groomy kits, then we can place a G-clip onto the charm. And then accessorize our bracelet with these charms. We currently have 3 characters in our Lumi-Groomy kits, but our designers are working super hard to introduce more friends to you. Thank you for your support and happy looming! By the way, if you're still here, we host weekly giveaways on our Instagram account, so be sure to follow us at official_RainbowLoom and learn how to enter in our Loom Star of the Week contest, which is open to our international Rainbow Loomers as well.